So it's day 2. We are grinding our way up the hill into Daylesford from Hepburn Springs. Found a great little camp spot and had a pretty good night's sleep. Now the legs are getting their old wake up call. Time for a coffee and a croissant. Here we go, out of Daylesford, back on the Goldfields Trail. Oh, a bit of a steep descent. Jesus! River! Yeah! Good times, wet toes. Into a nugget hill. And it's going straight up. Cruising through this fantastic eucalypt forest, massive trees, a little bit of sunshine, a little bit of shade, pretty sweet conditions for riding a bike.
Hey bro, all day long.
All day long. Have a look at these trees, freaking awesome. There goes the trail. Probably looks flat, it's not, it's going up. Yeah. Ah, a little bit too muddy, eh? Oh, the water's beautiful in there. Go for a swim, mate. Oh, that's hard work. Whew. Just rode in through the Creswick Mountain Bike Park. That's pretty nice. Some fun, flowy stuff, a little bit of techie bits and bobs. It's good. Brought back memories of the 50k that I did there a few years ago, a couple of weeks after the Bendigo 100, and I was really not in a good way that day. And we were riding the other direction today and it felt better. So now we're heading out towards Ballarat. 50k's done today so far, 50k's left. Bit of an update. We're still going into Ballarat. Haze have been pretty hard. Pretty fun though through here. Good little bits of single track. And yeah, heading towards the Rat somewhere. Somehow we're going to get there. Sketchy. Oh, way. Heading towards Buninyong, hoping to make it to Mount Edgerton tonight. My cassette is really not good. Keep on trucking. Lucky dip. course. Oh, secret back turn. Here we go. Oh, I gotta say, the selection of trails put together on this journey have been awesome. Particularly today has been fantastic riding. So much good stuff. Just met up with Brian and Buninyong, Geelong Mountain Bike Club crew back together again. And we are hiker biking. I'm definitely faster walking up this than riding up it. It ain't easy.